Today we're going to show you how to remove a Honda Civic bumper. So you need a few tools to move the bumper. So if you have a jack as well, it'll be a lot easier to lift it up so you can get underneath the bumper and try to take the bumpers off. Put the jack here, down here, and just lift it up. You're going to do like 5 to 10 pumps, so you can have enough room to lift up the front bumper since this is the lower car. So, and now you're gonna need the Phillips to try to take one of the bumpers. Sometimes they have Phillips screws in here. You gotta move the fender liner and just go up in here and just take it off. Pretty simple. Even a 9-year-old could do this. And just kind of pull, and it's pretty loose. See? And then down here, you have other screws. Sometimes you have screws, or they're plastic tabs, and you need one of these. Or if you can't find one of these, grab a plastic one as well. Sometimes you need a sharp one. It's stuck in there. And there's another one over here. And these how they look. Little plastic ones. And you just keep going down the middle. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. If you see, I got them all. And it has one screw as well, like I mentioned earlier. So then you go over here, you know, obviously we have the damage over here, so this one doesn't have it. Or sometimes they're stuck up in here as well. And yes, it's stuck up in here. And there you go. Come and open the latch for the hood, because there's more on the grill. There's more screws or plastic tabs as well. And when you see there is, so you got to remove this plastic thing as well to be able to get up in here and move the bumper. So if you see, there's another one right here. There's 1, 2 to be able to move. Pretty simple. And there's another one over here. Oops. So there's 4 plastic tabs, or you know, whatever they're called. And you just want to move your bumper back a little bit so you can be able to come out, lift up, and there you go. So obviously you got 2 more to be able to move. Just one right here and another one right here. So for this one, to be able to move the bumper when we lift it up, we need a torque. It's a torque 30. This is the tool that you need right here. So, and it goes right here. And just, oh, there it goes. And then it should slide off pretty easy. Just pull it. And that's how you take a Honda Civic front bumper off. Today we're going to show you how to reassemble the Honda Civic bumper, front bumper. So this is the license plates, and it has 2 screws right here. So you put that there, and then 2 screws that go right here. See, 2 screws. One there and one right there. And then you get your 10mm with the gadget. If you don't have one of these, just get a ratchet. And then it has one in the middle. That's a screw, so you need your Phillips right here in the middle to secure it real well. So when you go to the car wash, they won't fly away. And then you can put your license plate on when you're done. And then for the grill, there's a grill that this one has. This is your little grill, your Honda symbol. The screws are on the back. So you're gonna disassemble with the 8mm. Pretty easy. If you don't have electric, just use it by hand. Assemble it right where it's supposed to go. And it lines up pretty good. Turn it around. And you just put a bolt and it has to snap. It has these two little tabs and they snap in, and then just put a bolt so you can secure it. And it'll hold pretty good. Just turn it around. Want to open the latch again. So here's your old screws from the previous when we took it off. You want to save them. So when you're going to put the new bumper, you know, it's going to be the same thing that you put back together. It's pretty simple. So here's where we put the bumper on. You kind of want to grab from the middle and just kind of guide yourself. Be careful, you're going to scratch your car. You know, if you scratch it on you. Just trying to align it real good. Do a little tap here so it can go. Make sure it goes underneath your headlights. After, you're gonna struggle with it sometimes, so you just kind of want to line it up real good and just tap it in there. And just make sure it's secured. And sometimes you want to put a screw so you can hold on to it. So you can hold it in place. I just turned the wheel so I can get access to put one of the screws back in there, you know. Now you move to the other side and do the same thing. Turn on your vehicle so you can have access. So move the wheel. So you can have access to the other side. Now you want to put your bottom one as well. And like I mentioned, there are like 4 or 5 of them. You want to make sure everything's lined up good. And then you're just gonna put your tabs in there. How you took them off, that's how you're gonna put them back on. And then you want to come up here and get your T30. It's a torque, so you want to. Remember I told you I put a screw here so I can secure it. So now you want to tie it up. There's another one over here on this side. Oops. And then you're going to put your plastic piece that goes up here. The one that covers grill now, so make sure you want to line it up real good. And then you want to tuck this under right here, and then tuck this under your grill as well. And there you go, just kind of slide it under forward. And then you just want to put your tabs Back again. I go in here. Pretty easy. The 2 big ones. And then 2 small ones. Go right here. And that's how you install a Honda Civic front bumper.